Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw for shrimp tacos. This vibrant, crunchy side is perfect for balancing rich flavors. First, let's prepare our main ingredient, the cabbage. Choose a fresh, firm head of green cabbage. Remove any loose outer leaves, then shred it finely, about 1/8 of an inch thick. You'll need roughly 4 cups of this crisp goodness. Now, let's create the delicious, creamy dressing that brings everything together. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Add 1 tablespoon of honey for a subtle sweetness and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for that essential tang. Finish by seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix until smooth and well combined. With our cabbage shredded and our dressing ready, it's time to combine them. Transfer all the finely shredded cabbage into a large mixing bowl. Now, pour the creamy, tangy dressing directly over the cabbage. Using tongs or a large spoon, gently toss everything together until every strand of cabbage is thoroughly coated. This ensures maximum flavor in every bite. Finally, cover and refrigerate the coleslaw for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. This homemade coleslaw is the ideal companion for your shrimp tacos. Its refreshing crunch and vibrant flavors cut through the richness of the shrimp, creating a perfectly balanced bite. The tangy lime and subtle sweetness in the dressing truly elevate the entire dish. Spoon a generous amount into your warm tortillas alongside your seasoned shrimp. For an extra burst of freshness, garnish with some chopped fresh cilantro or a final squeeze of lime juice. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.